Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss McCabe, your Shell School librarian, and it's time for our story. As I open this book to begin reading it to you, I noticed it's available as an ebook too. So in a moment, we're going to practice our Capstone Interactive login skills and read it together and sing along. Your story is titled Staying Safe Online, which is a great connection to our lesson this week and the past 2 weeks. Inside, we have tips to support literacy at home. In all of our capstone books, we have the text, which introduces the topic and then encourages us to sing along. Then the song begins with these words: Stay safe online by being smart. Think with your head and think with your heart. Think with your heart, stay safe online. Don't share too much. Only post what's kind. At the end, after we've heard all of the text or all the lyrics, because it's a song, there is sheet music and the lyrics. You can see this for yourself if you log into Capstone Interactive. There's also a glossary with some terms. Passwords are letters and numbers that allow you to use a computer or website. Technology, any device that solves a problem. Maybe you'll invent some technology one day to solve a problem. Let's review how to stay safe online with this Capstone Interactive story. Okay, we're logged in at mycapstonelibrary.com using a password shared with you in a past lesson. I'm going to click Play Book. And please sing along. I don't want to be singing alone, boys and girls. We can sing along because the text is highlighted as the song
Staying Safe Online by Shannon McClintock Miller. Illustrations by Catherine Durst. Music by Emily Arrow. Going online is a lot of fun. There are games to play, videos to watch, and endless things to learn. But not every site is safe for you to visit. Ask a trusted adult about safety rules for when you are online. Now turn the page to learn about staying safe online. Remember to sing along.
Here we go, kids.
Stay safe online by being smart. Think with your head and with your heart. Think with your heart, stay safe online. Don't share too much, only post what's kind. Your name, your age, or where you live is not info that you should give. Keep special dates and passwords too, as secrets that are just for you. The online world is really large. Your grown-ups help you stay in charge. Beware of strangers you don't know. If something's not right, tell a grown-up so.
Trust your gut. Great point.
Stay safe online by being smart. Think with your head and with your heart. Think with your heart, stay safe online. Don't share too much, only post what's kind. Check out sites that your grown-ups okay. Ask an adult if it's safe to play. Games are great for learning too. Make sure they are right for you. It's always okay to ask for help. That's how we learn to help ourselves. Technology is fun, it's true. And staying safe is up to you. Stay safe online by being smart. Think with your head and with your heart. Think with your heart, stay safe online. Don't share too much, only post what's kind. Stay safe online by being smart. Think with your head and with your heart. Think with your heart, stay safe online. Don't share too much, only post what's kind. Stay safe on.
When the ebook gets to the page with the song lyrics, it replays the song through with no pauses at page turns. This is an excellent way to re-listen, sing along a second time.
Online by being smart. Think with your head.
I'm trying to fast forward to show you the glossary. It looks like it's below on the toolbar. And here are the words. Endless, info, passwords, post, and technology. Words that were defined because they were used in the story and might be new to you. Here are some activities you could do following the story. You could discuss, what do you like to do online? What rules do you follow to keep yourself safe online? And others. These are similar questions to what we've talked about the past 3 weeks. Thank you so much for coming to the lesson today and story time. It was a pleasure to put this together for you, and I can't wait till we get to read together face to face. Until then, I'll see you at our next online story time. Bye for now.